Well, we couldn't have asked for a better day outside when it comes to the weather. This is a shot of Newcastle from our Sky Eye 2 drone. Look at those puffy clouds and blue sky. It's beautiful out there today. It was great yesterday. Similar situation today. KDKA First Alert meteorologist Falicia Woody joins us now. Enjoy today, Felicia, because tomorrow's what we're watching.
Exactly. And I enjoyed yesterday. I was at the ball game. Great weather for it.
It was so pleasant yesterday.
And then today, if you were heading out to the ball game, another great day.
There you go.
But tomorrow is when we're going to be dealing with some rain. It's going to be a pretty wet commute, in fact. But right now, let's soak in the sunshine. Temperature-wise, it is very pleasant out there. We're in the 70s, 78 in Pittsburgh, 80 in Beaver, 70 down in Oakland and Maryland. So we have the satellite and radar showing a couple of pop-up showers there heading towards the center of the state, but not necessarily here in our region. We're noticing a few more clouds trying to develop, and we're going to see a couple of spotty showers really try to form later this afternoon. But we're going to be topping off somewhere into the mid and upper 80s for most of the region, while the I-80 corridor and more mountainous regions will be topping off into the 70s. So here we go with Futurecast. There's the couple of spotty showers for today. Once we're asleep tonight, this is where we're going to watch that big batch of rain move through. So this is now tomorrow morning. Look at all the colors just completely inundating the map. And we're even seeing indications of oranges, yellows, and reds. That means storm activity and heavy rain. Most of the heavy rain will be south of I-70. Meanwhile, everywhere else we'll likely see moderate to some periods of heavy rain. And it looks like most of the rain should be out of here by the afternoon, with still a few leftover showers possible for Thursday evening. By Friday, we're drying out from all of this rain before we move into yet again more rain for the weekend. But tomorrow's going to be a big day to watch out for, especially with these rain totals. So we're under a marginal risk for excessive rainfall, and this primarily affects those around and south of the I-70 corridor. We could possibly see up to 2 inches of rainfall. In fact, the National Weather Service has already issued a flood watch for our counties there in West Virginia, but anywhere south of I-70 should be on alert, especially if you are in a flood-prone region. We could have these periods of heavy rain cause some issues with flooding. And it looks like with the rain chances over the next several days, it's going to be kind of a every other day ordeal. So we have rain tomorrow, dry Friday, yet again on Saturday, dry on Sunday, and then again on Monday. I think we kind of get the pattern on that one. But the muggy meter will be rising back up into the more sticky and muggy range heading into this weekend. So it's not necessarily going to feel the most pleasant. We have to wait until next week until we can finally see some relief. So high temperatures will be mainly in the 80s, with a couple of exceptions where we're going to be in the 70s. And that's solely just because we're going to have rain chances. That's not going to allow the temperatures to rise up. So every other day we're expecting rain. Be on alert for tomorrow, especially south of I-70. Then get ready for a hot and humid weekend.